Did you know there's a fruit that can help reduce the size of your enlarged prostate? And the best part is, it's completely natural. That's right. And what I'm about to tell you could change your health forever. Stay with me, because you won't want to miss this information. An enlarged prostate is a common problem, especially among men over 50. It can cause discomfort, difficulty urinating, and even affect quality of life. But what many don't know is that the solution may lie within nature and doesn't have to involve complicated surgery. This fruit is Thesis sapid has properties that can help reduce prostate size effectively, without the need for invasive procedures. And best of all, you can easily consume it in your daily life. Studies show that soursop contains powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that act directly to reduce prostate inflammation. The secret lies in the phytonutrients present in it, which help regulate prostate health naturally. It's not magic, it's science. Soursop works by fighting free radicals in your body, protecting cells, and even helping to detoxify the body. It's a simple, accessible fruit with surprising results. Of course, always consult a doctor before starting any natural treatment. But with soursop, you have a powerful ally in your diet. So, did you like this natural health tip? Then don't waste any time. I'm affiliated with a wonderful product that can help you even more with all of this. I've left a link in the comments. You'll find a supplement that enhances all of this, and I recommend it without hesitation.